In this video we will show you how to use apps like Qfield, Carlson Layout and field maps with centimeter accuracy. Check this video till the end and you know exactly what you need and how you can do this yourself. Today is a special day.
And why is it a special day?
Because we will use another app.
Really, another app than the Apglos survey wizard?
Yes, we will use Attenberger Connector.
The Attenberger Connector app.
With Attenberger Connector you can use any GPS app with centimeter accuracy. What do we need?
1 second. A rod.
That were 3 seconds.
Okay, yeah, sorry, I cannot run any faster. Let's attach the top to the bottom. Can you please hold that? Because I need a second item. Today we are going to use the ProNiveau PNR 21. And that's a tip from me. Please hold the GIS receiver and let the rod do its job. Otherwise it will fall down. Press on, just press the button for a few seconds. Wait. And let it do its job. Item number 3. The phone holder or tablet holder. And of course, actually we need 4 items and that's what Hanno is carrying. His
phone. This is a phone. So we can add it to the phone mount. And this is everything you need to use Attenberger Connector. Of course, Attenberger Connector you can download from the Google Play Store. Let's find Attenberger Connector. To be sure to have Attenberger Connector work, we have to go to the settings and then you have to go to developer options. But if you don't have developer options, you go to about phone and you go to software information and then you have to behave like an idiot and click 7 times on build number. So let's see. With me it's not working because I'm already in developer mode, but yeah, now it's in developer mode. And then you go back and you go back and you see the developer options there. After that you have to find an option in developer options, which is the option select mock location app, and there we have to select Attenberger Connector, and now we are set up well to use Attenberger Connector. So now we can open Attenberger Connector. Of course you have to make sure that there is a pairing with this PNR 21. So we started Attenberger Connector and then we go to settings. Here we have to do some things. The origin of transformation, you have to make it standalone. In Germany you can use other options, but here we use standalone because we are in the Netherlands. Then we have to select the GNS receiver. In this one, this time it's the PNR 21 and that is this one. Because it's a PNR, we have to select the PNR 21 and we want to set it up that it doesn't use the tilt function. So we will change that. So now the tilt function is on and then we click off and then we send that message and now we can go back. And now we have to fill in the antenna height, which is the ARP of the PNR 21 with the rod height. In total it's 2.06 meters, and then we have to fill in the N-trip data,
which of course is a secret, right?
The N-trip data is not a secret, only my password is top secret.
James Bond stuff.
You have to protect it with your life. And then we can refresh the data streams and then we select the right data stream and we can click connect. And now it says that mock location is on and that we are using a mock location. So we have to wait till we have an RTK fixed position. Let's see if that will happen.
I think we have SPS now, DGPS RTK. Yay!
And now we have RTK. So what does this app do? It makes sure that the position that is calculated in this GNS receiver, which is from the bottom of the GPS rod, is used on the phone for every app that uses GPS. Like for example, Google Maps.
So you're telling me now that you can do a centimeter accuracy in Google Maps with this mock-up?
Yeah, you can. Now I'm perfectly here at a centimeter accurate position in Google Maps.
Oh wow.
But I mean, in Google Maps, fine. I don't think you will go and take your route with a complete GPS kit. Maybe you do, because you get lost a lot.
I know.
But there are other apps as well. For example, there is an app that is called Field Maps. Do you know how to use field maps?
No. Uh-oh.
Me neither. As you can see, the GPS accuracy in field maps is 0.7 centimeters, which is the accuracy that this PNR 21 is calculating. So if you know how to use field maps, then you can use field maps with centimeter accuracy with Attenberger Connector. There is more! We have another app that can be used with Attenberger Connector and have the centimeter accuracy with this PNR 21. So that is Qfield. We can do the bee farming sample project. These are bee farms. I don't know where it is, but there are bee farms. But we can go to click this point, and here we are exactly in this point.
Oh wow.
That is very nice.
Easy.
I don't know if it's easy. I prefer Apglos Survey Wizard. But you can use it with centimeter accuracy. We can click maybe this button. Corner the cursor now locked on the position. We can maybe click this button, and maybe we can add a bee farm with Attenberger Connector in Qfield. I put this option.
Where's the...
I have no idea. There are 10,000 bees here. 1,000 to 10,000 bees.
Where? Oh, you can fill
the
it in.
beekeeper. I will call it Ray. Ray is the beekeeper. And then yearly harvest. Since Ray is the beekeeper, 0. Done. And then we can constraint not valid.
I understand.
Okay, I'm not that handy with Qfield, but as you can see, the Attenberger Connector works with this GNS receiver to have centimeter accuracy. Let's see if there are more apps that can be used with Attenberger Connector. There is Carlson Layout. What we learned in this video is that you can use Attenberger Connector to get an exact centimeter accurate position on your phone that can be used by any other app that is on your phone. That's a good thing, right?
That's a really good thing.
If you want to see more about GPS surveying, then watch this video.